In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the LED light harness in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new LED light harness, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. If you need to learn how to test the lights, you can check out our other video. For this repair, unplug or disconnect the power supply to the refrigerator. The LED lights are wired in a series similar to Christmas lights. If one of the lights in the series fails, the other lights will also go out. In this model refrigerator, the lights are wired on two different series. The first series contains the side lights, the other series contains the top lights. In this video, we are going to cover replacing these three lights. If you need to replace any of the other lights in the fridge, you can check out our other video. First, we need to remove the 4 shelves. To remove, lift up on the front of the shelf, then up on the back and out to remove. Repeat the same on the remaining shelves. Now, open the water filter compartment and remove these 2 screws with a 1/4-inch nut driver. Then, firmly grab the top panel within the water filter opening and pull down. This will require some force. Be careful as it's still connected by a wire. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Then, peel back the tape. Before removing the lights, take a photo to reference later for the position and orientation of each of the lights. Next, locate the locking tabs on the lights. Now, squeeze the tabs together, push the light down to release, and run the light back through the opening. Repeat on the remaining lights. When shopping for a new LED light harness, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. This light will only work in one location, so make sure you're ordering the correct one. To install the harness, reference your photo from earlier to ensure the lights are in the correct location. Position the lights with the foam backer facing the front of the top panel. Feed the lights through the opening and snap back in place. Then, reapply the tape to secure the wiring. To install the top panel, first, reconnect the LED electrical connector. Now, insert the 3 retaining tabs on the back of the top panel to the retainers on the fridge compartment. Then, firmly press the panel up to lock into place. And reinstall the 2 screws. To install the shelves, insert at an angle, hook the rear tabs at the desired height, and tilt down. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.